Overcurrent protection. During short circuit condition, overcurrent flowing through the SCR. This short circuit may be internal or external. The internal short circuit causes reason like failure of SCR to blocking forward or reverse voltage, also changing firing angles, then short circuit of converter output terminals due to fault in connecting cables of the load. The external short circuit caused by sustained overload and short circuit in the load. In the event of short circuit, the fault current depends on source impedance. If the source impedance is sufficient during the short circuit, then the fault current is limited below the multi-cycle rating of SCR. In case of AC circuit, the fault occurs at the instant of peak voltage if the source resistance is neglected. In case of DC circuit, fault current is limited by the source resistance. Therefore, the fault current is very large if the source impedance is very low. The rapid rise of this current increases the junction temperature and hence the SCR may be get damaged. Hence, the fault must be clear before occurrence of its first peak. In other words, the fault current must be interpreted before zero current position. Then protection against overcurrent. The SCR can be protected against the overcurrent using conventional overcurrent protection device like HRC fuse, rewirable fuse, semiconductor fuse, contactor, relay and circuit breaker. Generally, the continuous overloads and surge current of long duration, a circuit breaker is employed to protect SCR due to long tripping time. For an effective tripping of circuit breaker, tripping must be properly coordinated with SCR rating. Also, the large surge current with short duration are also called as subcycle surge currents are limited by connecting the first acting fuse in series with SCR. So, the proper coordination of fusing time and the subcycle rating must be selected for the reliable protection against overcurrent. Therefore, proper coordination of fuse and circuit breaker is essential with the rating of SCR. Then thyristor rating. The thyristor are depends on their maximum values of voltage, current and power rating of the SCR. Beyond this rating, the device may be malfunction or get damage. These devices are rated with subscript. Thyristor ratings are shown. F denoted as forward bias, R denoted as reverse bias, T is on state time, D forward blocking state with gate open. Then second script indicate operating values. T is trigger, S surge or non-repetitive value, R is repetitive value, work, W is working value. Thyristor voltage rating. The first is peak working forward offset voltage, that is it specifies the maximum forward voltage, that is anode positive with respect to cathode. Blocking state voltage, that is thyristor can withstand during working. Then peak repetitive of state forward voltage, it refers to the peak forward transient voltage that transistor can block repetitively off state, that is peak non-repetitive off state forward voltage. It refers allowable peak value of the forward transient voltage that not be repeat. Then peak working reverse voltage, it is maximum reverse voltage, that is anode to anode negative with respect to cathode, that a thyristor can be stand continuously. Peak repetitive reverse voltage, it specifies the peak reverse transient voltage that may occur repeatedly during reverse bias condition of the thyristor at maximum junction temperature. Then peak non-repetitive reverse voltage, it represents the peak value of reverse transient voltage does not repeat. Then on state voltage, that is voltage drop between anode and cathode with specified junction of temperature. Generally this value is 1 to 1.5 volt. Gate triggering voltage, this is minimum voltage required to the gate to produce gate triggering current. Then voltage safety factor, the operating voltage of the SCR below, then VRSM, to avoid damage of the SCR due to certain condition. Therefore the voltage safety factor of the operating voltage and VRMS, that is VF is equal to RMS value of the input voltage into √2. Then finger voltage of SCR, minimum value of voltage which must be applied between anode to cathode. Turning of the devices by using gate triggering is called as finger voltage of SCR. Then thyristor current rating. First is average on state current rating, that is average current. It is the maximum repetitive average forward current through SCR. The power loss of SCR component depend on this value. Then maximum RS current. This is the maximum repetitive RMS current specified at maximum junction temperature that can be flowing through the SCR. Then maximum surge current. It specifies the maximum non-repetitive or surge current that SCR can withstand for limited number of time during its lifespan, that is maximum surge current. Then maximum squad current integral, that is integration of I square dt. It is used for determining thermal energy absorption of the device for small time and choice of fuses. Then latching current, the minimum anode current maintain the thyristor on. Then latching current is greater than holding current. Holding current, the minimum anode current to maintain the thyristor on is called as holding current. Gate current, the minimum and maximum current that can be applied to the SCR to save turning on is called as gate current. Then average power dissipation, the product of average anode current and forward voltage drop across SCR is called as average power dissipation. Then improvement of thyristor characteristics. First is improvement in di by dt, that is the rate of change of current with respect to time is very important. Then improvement current gain, that is output upon input. Then structural modification of the devices, and improvement dV by dt, that is rate of change of voltage with respect to time. Then merits and demerits of SCR. Merits of SCR: SCR with high voltage and current rating are available. On-state losses in SCR is reduces. Very small amount of gate drive required for SCR is, and SCR is regenerative device. The demerits of SCR: gate has no control after the SCR is turned on. External circuit are required to the turn off SCR. Operating frequency are very low. Snubber circuit are required for dV by dt protection. Then applications of SCR: high current, high voltage application, controlling alternating current. Then where the change of polarity of the current causes device of switch off automatically, referred to zero cross operation. Then phase angle triggered control, also known as phase fire control. Then circuit breaker, a crowbar to prevent failure in the power supply from damaging downstream component by shorting the power supply output to the ground. Then load voltage regulated by thyristor phase control. Red trace, that is load voltage, and blue trace, that is triggering signal, that is trigger signal. Summary: the SCR is triggered on the positive cycle and turn off negative cycle. The circuit like this useful to speed control for fans, power tools and other related application. The SCR can handle large current which causes the fuse to open, that is using circuit breaker on off.